What's wrong, Daddy?
Daddy, that's so scary.
Don't worry, Daddy will help you. Stay here, don't worry. I took care of the spider. Stay here. Are those straws? Beautiful. One more. Enough. I need some water, please. Thank you. Thank you.
Your team is banning. Your team is banning. Please pick a hero. Ready? Go! Enemy is picking. Your team is picking.
Alam ko mga rin mga nagbabalit mo.
Mga rin nga naman, Jel. Ha? Karon? Karon? Ah. Manure di sila ko. Karon o rogma? Bernes pa man ron. Karon siya muli. Joyce, karon muli.
Enemy is picking.
My favorite hot dog.
I
That's
do
it.
what I want. Your team is picking. The enemy is picking.
You. I want to pick them up. Go on.
Madto. Jel, pikas balay. Dito rin sila. Iwan ko kita anjo. Madto dito pikas.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! Victory's calling! All troops deployed! My gun only aims at the bad guys. I would never back down. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys.
Ha?
Bullseye!
Dito, ikaw man. Ganun na naman to.
Okay, bullseye!
Dito na ilang ining. Asa? Kasi nga to.
And that one
Kasi
little
luri.
girl is gonna save someone this time. First blood. Target locked. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. An enemy has been slain. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Ah! My gun is ally has slain turtle. Launch attack. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. An enemy has been slain.
Enemy battle cell on
Open fire! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Ha! Target locked. The gun represents justice when pointing at the bad guy. An enemy has been slain. Yeah! That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Launch attack! Slain. Time to shine! Initiate retreat! The gun represents justice. Launch attack! Bad guys. Slain an enemy. Target. Yeah! Killing spree. Launch attack. Power advance. Tell my grandpa I messed up. Initiate retreat. Request backup. An enemy has been slain. Battle's now in cooldown. Mega kill! Shut down! Bullseye! Target locked! Ha! Killing spree! The enemy has slain the turtle. Shut down! Initiate retreat! I would never back down. Initiate retreat!
enemy battle
The
cell on
gun
CD.
represents justice when pointing at the bad guys. Initiate retreat! I'll bring you to justice!
Solo kill.
Ally has been enemy double kill. Time to shine! Slain an enemy! Your team destroyed a turret! Ah! My gun is still fully charged! Hey! Stop right there! Push first! Shut down! That one little girl is gonna launch attack!
Oh. Ha?
Bullseye!
Ha?
An
Sabihin?
An enemy has been slain.
Kamanahon ka?
Open fire!
Solo kill.
Kanang doon, tiko ka to?
Easy kill.
Lumpia.
Is this made in Arizona?
Oh.
Understood.
Your team destroyed a turret. Has been slain.
I'll show you.
An ally has been slain.
Thunderblood. Hey!
An enemy has been slain. An ally has been slain. Bullseye! Don't underestimate me. Bullseye! Initiate retreat. Bullseye! Time to shine. Launch attack. Ha! Push first. Okay. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Your team launch attack.
Understood.
Launch attack. Gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. An ally has been slain. An enemy has been slain. An ally has slain the turtle. Double kill. That one little
Makain
girl
lamang ka ni
is gonna save someone this time.
Kante Gino.
Bullseye! Initiate retreat. Has request backup. Initiate retreat.
Enemy ult on CD.
That once little girl
Initiate retreat.
is gonna save someone this time. Bullseye! Mega kill!
Ano ka? Makain lamang ka dyan.
Shut down! Lost control!
Labo niya ito ah.
Has been slain.
Kain lamang ka dyan. Labo niya ito. Namatay.
Double kill.
Namatay. Tumigil papa ba? Sabi na, bago ba di ka magagabi ka naman tayo. Niyagi pa mo rin daw. Ano, niyagi ka ba?
Your team destroyed the turret. An enemy has been slain.
Kita deh katanya sa post.
That once little girl.
O karon to mga niyagi sa mga nagro. Basta baguhay pa.
Ally has been slain.
Brilliant.
Bago pa man namatay, lahi siguro pasambot ng matigit.
An enemy has been slain.
Basta lahi siguro pasambot siguro ng mga kan.
My shot only trying to target. Okay. You have slain an enemy. Initiate retreat.
Unsa man? Di ay bago pa naman tayo.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Bago pa dyan naman tayo. Kanang kuan. Dungan-dungan siguro sila ni kuan.
Stop once little
Kanang igsuon ni kuan ba? Igsuon ni
ally has been slain.
tong parahis ba?
You have slain an enemy. Attack! Top Sean! Double kill. That was an easy kill.
Ha?
Team destroyed the turret.
Si tumulak yung ganyan yun eh. Tumulak.
Your team destroyed a turret.
Oo, tumulak si Robert. Kanang ito mo. Kanang laging kanang tumulak lang ito kanang yung mama. Oh, lolang Rob tumulak. Orle din na pangalan ng lalaki din.
Check out my superhero style bear.
Kanagong yang ang gagod si Kwan. Bantam na. Philip ni Philip. Mamang Philip.
Oh, thank
Philip din, kailan ka natin din. Basta niya siguro namangod siguro si Philip. Or kaliwat na nila si Kwan. Kailan kang Philip din? Kailan kang Philip? Kwan siguro eh, murag.
Me too, me too. All your food is made of gold?
Yes, Philip. What would you like?
Can I have a golden apple, please?
Sure, Philip. Yeah, kung ano.
You know what? I'm actually good. Thanks.
Okay. This pack is gonna be epic.
Wala din yung mag-isago lang ito sa Kwan din.
Hey guys, I have nothing to do. Can I join you?
Yeah, sure. Take a seat. I'm sorry, it was just a joke.
Okay, I forgot. But please don't do it again. I have real food.
Real food? What do you mean?
Let me show you. You can even try it if you want. Mm.
Let's start our phonetics lesson.
What are you doing?
Okay, kids, repeat after me. A, B,
Your team is banning.
C, D, E, F, G, Don't you make your gold letter stickers? Thank you.
Ban a hero.
Let's continue. H, I, J, K,
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I.
J,
Your team is picking.
M, O, P,
enemy is moving.
It wasn't me, I promise. They started it.
Say, Principal wants to see you. Now! Yes.
I do what I want to do.
Come here, Steffi.
Hi, Principal.
Hello. I've heard of great things about you from our teachers, and I wanted to ask if you consider to stay with us.
I'd love to stay, but my Lord needs me. By the way, I have to tell you a message.
The enemy is moving.
I love my world, my school, my friends. Uh-oh. Homework, Look at my lovely ABC playhouse. Oh no! My ABC house is gone!
Please pick a hero.
Maria, come here! I'm so sorry, everyone. Okay, fine, I'll deliver.
Ready? The enemy is picking.
Okay. Oh, I see your name. But how do I reach it?
Bisa naman natin dyan?
No walking on the table, Yella.
Okay. Sounds like to me.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! Time to lay down the law!
Found the letters B, C, and D.
Request backup! Request backup! Request backup! You to justice!
Wait.
Jack! Request backup! First blood! Slain! Request backup! Ally has been slain.
I found letter E. Oh, here.
Good game!
What's happening? Why is it moving?
That one little girl is gonna save someone this time.
Yes. I got that.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys, initiate retreat. That once little girl is gonna save someone. My shot always finds the target. An enemy requests backup. I would never back down. Attack the turtle requests I would never back down. Launch attack! Hey! Stop right there! An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. More firepower this time. Our turret has been destroyed. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys. An enemy has been slain. Double kill. Ally has been slain. Launch attack, little girl. Shut down. Launch attack. Atlantic turtle retreat. An ally has been shut down. Request gather up the turtle. The gun turret is under attack. When pointing at the bad guys. Our turret has been destroyed. My shot always finds the target. Launch attack. Slain an enemy. That was an easy kill.
Mhm.
Ally has been slain.
Mm.
Enemy initiate retreat. The gun represents our turret has been destroyed. Pointing at the bad guy. That one little girl. Launch attack.
Ano?
Request backup. Slay the turtle. Our turret.
Saan tayo dyan? Saan tayo answer?
Bullseye! Target locked. Bullseye!
Ayaw, ayaw.
The gun represents justice. When pointing at that guy. An enemy has been slain.
Sakto ba doon? Willing to learn, eager, willing to learn.
Hey! Stop right there!
But I can build my career here.
I'll bring you to justice! Request backup!
Naman nadagan sa internet, pwede naman yung parang sundo.
Launch attack! That one little girl is gonna save someone.
Applying for manager.
Open fire!
Fit my qualification.
Control! Control!
Di-interview di ka, Jill? Nang-apply di ka, Jill? Call center?
Backup.
Nang-apply ka online?
That was a spur of the moment decision. Gather up the Lord. Bullseye.
Asa man siya?
Turret is under
Ah, di ada nang-apply si Jill?
Attack the Lord. That one little girl. Will be saved
Kanang linaw?
this time.
Sa linaw, lagi linaw.
Launch attack.
Lagi.
Bullseye.
Dula ra sa imong konjen no, kadiri ra ba ya?
Pointing at that.
Dura diri sa imong konda. Suwal pa dia kasi lagi mo.
Triple kill. Launch attack. An ally has slain Lord.
Dito.
You put up a good fight. Launch attack. I would never accept. Initiate retreat. Mega kill. Enemy has been slain. Stop more firepower this time. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Ready. Your team destroyed a turret. That once little girl. Be saved from this is not ready. Is this made in Eruditio? Launch attack. Represents justice. When pointing at that guy. Keep an eye on the my shot always finds the target. Our inhibitor turret is under attack. Fire control. Slain an enemy. I'm still warming up. Attack, attack, lane.
Okay.
Oh, Dave. Sorry to rin.
Oh, ito.
Back attack. Destroy the turret. An enemy has been slain. Launch attack. Don't underestimate.
Oh,
Tawagan din.
An enemy has been slain. Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat. Stop right there.
oh.
Initiate retreat. Initiate retreat.
Masa gingon mo magagad sa.
Request backup.
Ah, kau ba nimo? Kau ba nimo katong kau ba nimo nila bibang? Ah, nga-apply sa di sila? Oh. Ako rin, mga apply ko, ako man usa.
Moment decision.
Pero mas mayam sana na kay kauban para na kay istorya para madungag imong confidence ba pero kumanad kag ikaw sa nindot na sana noon kay murag kuan ba hindi tundog ba.
Superb control.
CCTV?
To shine. Double kill. Killing spree.
kill.
Mega kill! Enemy has slain Lord. Initiate retreat! Ally has been slain. More firepower this time!
Brilliant tanking.
Yeah! Yeah! Initiate retreat! The gun initiate retreat! Justice! We're pointing at that guy. Heal! I would never back down. Initiate retreat! Initiate retreat!
Yung bang manager ba, ang shape ka, do you find some places where not kaya made an office na
Superb control!
For expansion.
Unstoppable!
yes sir, we have in our home.
Unstoppable!
Pwede kayo?
Kill! Triple kill!
Ano yung gina? Oh, nangita di studio ba?
Turret has been destroyed. Maniac! Launch attack!
Ganahan siya mo.
The moment
Ano mo si mga kaila sa Amerika, pwede mo siya dito mangutan na agad. Parihan ng style ni Rob. Rob, na may kaila dito ba ang mga kuan? More man na. Kaila raman na nga, nagkuhan na ito nga kaso-kaso. Munang nagkuhan si Rob. Kaila raman na niya, mo nang nagkuhan lang, negosyo lang. Kaila ni Rob dito ba?
some team destroy the turret!
Dahil lang kay kaila dito nga.
Initiate jet
Kuan?
When pointing at that guy, launch attack!
Si matulay na sud. Si, nanam sa laing nasud? Amerika?
Initiate retreat!
Laing nasud?
Clear up lanes.
Ano ay?
Nga naman.
Keep an eye on the map. Bullseye! My shot always finds the target. Keep an eye on the map.
Understood.
That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Launch attack! Bullseye! The gun represents just request backup. Pointing at the bad guys. I'll bring you to death. Instant kill. Fire!
Curve control.
Legendary. This mage area double kill. Request backup.
Gather up the Lord.
Ah! My gun initiate retreat. Hey! Stop right there! Attack the Lord.
Gather up the Lord.
Ult is ready. Attack the Lord. That once little girl is gonna save Attack the Lord. Bullseye! Sword Slayer! Launch attack! One little girl is gonna save someone this time. Launch attack! Request backup. The gun represents justice. Request pointing at the bad guys.
Hit na ka, Pins.
Target locked.
Asan?
Hit na ka.
Don't underestimate me. Request backup. Launch attack. That one little girl is gonna save someone this time. Time to shine. Legendary.
Curve control.
Monster kill. Launch attack. Godlike. Enemy has been slain.
victory.
Victory!
Yawa nang uyab-uyab og kuan din no. Babae o tumbo kano. Basta gibinuangan siguro na si Isa sa una mo naguyab og babae. Ay, sa pangalan niya.
Cameras normally don't talk, but should you be so unfortunate as to encounter one that does...
How about a group photo?
Not now, Clamar.